Android, Proud and Nasty, and I going out in Paris to watch drag shows. That's gonna be one hell of a party. Oh no, Yuligaya, no charity stream for me. No. I can pay my own, but thank you for the thought. It's no. I should be able to, like. Real Pingo, you're pretty sure Søren is up for that? You think so? You think so, Real Pingo? Like Søren was the loudest one. It was actually Søren's first drag show at TwitchCon Amsterdam, and he was loving every second of it. More interested in throwing a party versus the con itself. Okay, Proud and Nasty, hit me up if you need like a DJ in between your music. But I'm just warning you, Paris is a weird place. Everything is extremely expensive. Okay, I need to... So, Proud and Nasty throwing a party in France. That's... I don't know how the French are gonna react to that. Really. It's gonna be really dangerous. By the way, does anyone know if Sunroad is online doing a 2-year Twitch anniversary? It'll be loads of fun, yeah. I don't think the French is going to be agreeing on that one, Yuligaya. I don't think the French people can handle Proud and Nasty, me and Søren Android together. I might play only one song on a piano, trying to get Popeye's chicken to cater. They're in Paris now. Wow, Popeye's. That's Rich Rebuild's favorite chicken. That's Popeye's chicken. You know Rich Rebuilds from YouTube. Dog lover in New York City, you chose the right person to follow. You chose the right person to follow, I'm telling you. Ben, I think we might have lost some of the others. The pastor and his wife is there, but I think some of the others we lost. Oh, they're ahead. Okay. All right. When viral in France, they love you. Of course they love you, because you are amazing. Falk SS on the hydrate. Well, I actually had one beer today. I don't see any other beers like around here. If we need more beer, then we definitely need a toilet. When you get home, Real Ping and I will help you with the RMTP server. Yeah, I know it's so stupid that I'm the worst streamer, really. We should have set that up a long time ago. Especially now that we have the proper network equipment at home, the proper router, everything. It's the gangster way to go, yeah. And like Proud and Nasty, I got like Ubiquiti Unify. I got the Dream Machine Pro router at home. So like I've got serious shit at home, like to handle my network connections. So it's stupid of me, I haven't set that up yet. Okay, then you come to Malmö and do it, Luna Coach. Because you know me, I never have time. But it would make my RL stream so much better. Dog Lover New York City, you should try and look up some of the clips from Proud and Nasty stream. He gives away airplanes and cars. The Yellow Witch, there you go. The Yellow Witch, my favorite witch on Twitch. Welcome. So Proud and Nasty gave away an airplane on stream, and on the stream that he's gonna do with me, the Finding E-Drag dating show, he's gonna be giving away a red DeLorean. Adorable in epic color, yeah. I think my friends are actually embarrassed with me right now. They're like trying. Yeah, we don't know this guy. This guy must be European. Hej igen, pas på du ikke lærer dig. Hej Madman. Nej, hvem er? Jeg kunne ikke lide Østmøen.